Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Paul and today I will show you that how to determine mod function from the given graph. Now for this we look at this question. Now look at this graph. So we have to find the function of this graph. Now first find some point from this graph. Look at this point. Here x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 2. In this point x equals to 3 and y equals to 0 because this is in the x axis, and in this point x equals to minus 1 and y equals to 0 because this point is also on the x axis. So we first find the straight line this and the straight line this. So according to the graph we get this point. Now equation of the line passing through point 1 minus 2 and 3 comma 0, that means this line. So the equation of line passing through a point is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we follow this formula and get the equation of the line is equal to y is equal to x minus 3, and we can write this as x minus 1 minus 2. Now equation of the line passing through 1 minus 1 comma 0 and 1 comma minus 2, that means this line. The equation of this line according to this formula is y equals to minus x minus 1. So we can write this as minus x minus 1 minus 2. So we get the two equation. One of these y equals to minus x minus 1 minus 2 and y equals to x minus 1 minus 2. So we can write this as y equals to mod x minus 1 minus 2. So this is the equation of the given graph.